make sure your virtual machine is shut down. Without shutdown it will not work. Right click on the machine name and manage, then click clone. Next, the current state in the virtual machine, select this one and next, and create a full clone. It will make the full clone of this machine and give of any name. I'm giving new and select the location where you want to store the machine file. This PC folder is here, CentOS, new clone, new. Now it's okay. Finish. Close. You can see here is our full clone version. So you just power on this machine and it will work.